on YouTube. Welcome, I am the Sauce. Scotty Tucker will join me here momentarily for the first match. But check it out. Welcome back. Control your narrative. They've got some things they want to say.
Amarillo, Texas. Welcome to the top of Texas Pro Wrestling. We want justice. We want Look at us, man. We're all draped in gold. Yeah. You got one. Tino's got three over here.
My left arm's gonna give out.
Let's jump him.
Guys, I can't tell you how happy I am to be back. That's me speaking. I can't speak for these guys, but this is my home. I grew up here. I grew up in this, not this building, but the other one. And then, you know. But we're here!
Ooh, Amarillo. I look out on this crowd, guys, and I just see a bunch of beautiful faces here for us, welcoming us back. I feel the love is in the air. We're Control Your Narrative. We're together. The band's back together. We're here to ooh, we're here to we're here to entertain all of you. Ooh.
Amarillo, I am so happy that you welcomed us back like you did.
Yeah.
I have not been here for almost 8 months, but I learned to wrestle in this ring right here. Like my first 15 matches were in this ring right here before I started hitting the road. And it's unbelievable that y'all still remember who I am. I know you're gonna remember these two guys, but the fact that y'all remember me really touched me in down deep, you know what I mean? I appreciate that very much.
Man, I'm freaking glad. We are here to represent Control Your Narrative, but what does Control Your Narrative mean? It means to fight for your freedom and discover your purpose. And our purpose brought us to top of Texas Pro Wrestling tonight. And I'm gonna kick Ryan Justice's ass tonight. And the three of us, we are here to control the narrative. Ooh.
Justice joined the party.
Before I address the elephant in the room, Leo Fox, I've seen your stuff. You're a very talented, hard-working, dedicated individual. It is a pleasure to meet you for the very first time. But remember this, it doesn't matter what that lunatic says, it doesn't matter what brainwashing you receive, you are better than the letters on your chest.
No! Who is making shut up?
Man, you really want to control the narrative.
It's good to see you, Tino. We stood in this ring for the very first time. We've gone up and down a lot of the same roads. You and I have both told each other that when this happens, it is gonna be magic. Tino Valentino I know you are better than the letters on your chest. And then there's you. It's the same damn story, isn't it, Jake? You're looking for credibility. You're looking for validation. Hell, you couldn't get it in the playground that your dad built you, so you go to Dory Funk. You couldn't get it there either, so you attach yourself to EC3. And you aren't getting it there either, Jake. That's why I can play you like a puppet, Jake. I call you out for being brainwashed by a lunatic, and then guess what, Jake? Yeah, you put your little video up, but guess what happens on social media? You start going against him, saying you're gonna burn the whole thing down. Jake, who are you?
Ryan, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I left Top of Texas to prove that this company could be bigger than you or me. This is my home. This is only the place that you're renting out.
You left Top of Texas, right? I stayed in West Texas to dig my hands into the dirt and pull the legacy
You look
out
the
of
same.
it.
You act the same. You're still stupid, Ryan. EC3 would never waste his time on you because you're a chump.
I don't need somebody like EC3 to waste his time on me, Jake, but you talk all this smack when it's clear that the only thing you accomplished in Florida is to get married and get fat. So Jake, listen, you can come in here like a big star all you want, but let's get a little reality check. There's a show and a platform you can watch me on each week. Rocky Mountain Pro Charged every Tuesday night, baby. YouTube, Fight, My Fight channel if you have the package. Where do I watch Control Your Narrative? Oh, wait. Since the big stars left and you canceled all your events, I guess CYN now stands for Canceled Your Narrative.
Ryan, if you want to do this now, I'm ready. Amarillo, you want to see me kick his ass?
That sounds like a yes to me.
What do you say, Lady Justice?
See, it's the same trope with you, Jake. You don't change. You know, I know your wife's watching, and your mom back there said something real interesting to me the last time I was here. She was glad to see you here so she could finally see you win. So that means tonight, Jake, when I beat you, there's gonna be 3 bitches crying in the building.
He didn't just say that. Oh my God.